Alright guys, in this video I am going to review on Itel Magic 3. It's a touch keypad phone. So hey guys, I'm Ikhtier and you are watching ARZONE. So without wasting any more time, let's begin. Okay guys, Itel Magic 3, its body demonstration says 139 into 59 into 9.5 mm and build material is plastic body. Colors are blue and black. Model number is IT 6350. Display size is 2.8 inches. Display type is TN-LCD capacitive screen and resolution is 240 into 320 pixels and its RAM is 8 MB, ROM is also 8 MB and back camera is 1.3 MP and it doesn't have front camera and battery type is Li-ion. Battery capacity is 1500 mAh. Charging time is up to 2 hours. Standby time is up to 80 hours. Talk time is up to 26 hours. Video playback is up to 8 hours. So that is the video. If this video works for you, please subscribe this channel and turn on the notification. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care and